All right, 3-minute kitchen sprint. Glazed roast ham, perfect potatoes. I'm keeping it fast, bold, and doable. First, the ham. I've got a bone-in ham, about 2-3 kilos. If it's pre-cooked, I'm just warming and glazing. If it's raw, I'm cooking to temp. Either way, I want that knockout glaze. I preheat the oven to 190 to 375 degrees. Ham goes on a rack in a roasting pan. I score the fat in a diamond pattern, just the fat, not the meat. Optional. I stud a few diamonds with cloves for that classic holiday perfume. Glaze time. In a small pot, 1 2-cup brown sugar, 1 3-cup honey maple syrup, 2 tablespoons Dijon, 2 tablespoons whole grain mustard, zest of 1 orange, juice of 1 orange, a splash of apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of cinnamon or allspice. I simmer 3 to 5 minutes until glossy. It should coat a spoon. I brush a thin layer on the ham and slide it into the oven. For pre-cooked ham, about 15 minutes per 500 grai to warm through. For raw, follow your weight and cook until 63 degrees, tamini 45 degrees off in the center, then rest. Either way, I baste with more glaze every 15-20 minutes. If it's getting too dark, I tent loosely with foil. Potatoes time. Crisp, craggy, perfect. I use floury potatoes, russet, Maris Piper, or Yukon Gold. I peel and cut into big chunks. Pot of cold salted water, potatoes in, bring to a boil, then simmer 8 to 10 minutes until just tender around the edges. While they simmer, I get the fat ready. I add 2 to 3 tablespoons neutral oil to the roasting pan, plus a spoon of butter for flavor. If the ham's rendering fat, even better. Those drippings are liquid gold. I heat the pan in the oven so the fat is hot. I drain the potatoes and let them steam dry a minute. Then I rough them up. Lid on, gentle shake to fuzz the edges. A tablespoon of semolina or cornstarch is optional for extra crunch. Careful now. Hot fat. I slide the pan out, tip in the potatoes, toss to coat, season generously with salt, pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder or rosemary. Back in the oven at 220 to 125 degrees for 35-45 minutes, turning once or twice until shatteringly crisp. Back to the ham. When it hits temp, I brush on a final glaze and blast at 220 to 425 degrees for 5 to 8 minutes to lacquer. Then I rest it at least 15 minutes so the juices settle. Finishing touches. I warm any leftover glaze with a knob of butter for a quick sauce. I slice the ham across the grain into thick, juicy slices. Potatoes come out crackly and golden. I shower them with flaky salt, fresh thyme, and a squeeze of orange over the ham to echo the glaze. Plate it up. Glossy ham, crisp potatoes, a drizzle of glaze, and maybe a quick green salad or steamed greens to cut through the richness. You just nailed roast ham with a showstopper glaze and perfect potatoes in a clean, confident run. Save this for holidays, Sundays, or any day that needs applause. Hit play again when you're ready to cook. I'll be right here at full speed.